Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and I'd like to welcome you. So today's video is a grocery haul and clean with me. I'm going to start with the clean with me. I'm just going to be quickly cleaning up my room, making my bed, putting things back where they should be. Then I'm going to move on to the bathroom. I'm just going to give that a quick wipe over and do the mirror. Then I'm going to do the toilet, doing what you normally do in the toilet, swish and swipe. And I've also got to put some extra toilet rolls in there, and then I've got to do a load of laundry because, as normal, the laundry has piled up again. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to take you through my weekly Woolworths grocery haul.
I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away. cherish every moment I got to spend with you. I have so much inside of me, I wanna tell you something true. I've been missing you, love. Yeah, I've been missing you, love. All the good times that we had, I've been missing you, love. I've been missing you and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time, I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart, and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Oh, I'm still missing you, love. Yeah, I'm still missing you, love. All the good times that we had, I'm still missing you, love. I'm still missing you and your love, your love, your love. Oh baby, I'm still missing you. Oh.
They were $1.95 each. I got 3 of the national pies. These are just for lunches. They were $2.30 each. I got a beef ragu pappardelle and a beef lasagna. They were $2.30 each. I got crumb chicken nuggets. They were $3.20. I got crumb breast chicken tenders. They were $3.20. I got, what did I get? I got a kilo of chicken breast, and that was $10.16. A 24 pack of cheese. They were $3.60. A little table spread, that was $1.40. I got 2 lots of bananas. They were $2.50 each. I got a bag of the top 20. So it's got 20 packets in it. That was $5.50. I got a 20 pack of the single serve Smiths. They were $5. I got some Milo bars, a 10 pack. They were $7.80. Some cheese snacks, 12 pack. They were $4.40. Got some caramels, some fingers, and some Rocky Road, and they were $1.95 each. Some wagon wheels, that was a 5 or 8 pack. They were, I think, $3 something. The 4 pack of mac and cheese, that was $3, I think. The noodles were $3. I got 5 of the vanilla yogurts. They were like 80 cents each. I also got 5 of the strawberry. They were 80 cents each. I got a satay chicken. That was $3.20. I got a bolognese. That was $1.70. Some chocolate topping. That was $1.90. Thickened cream. That was $2.30, I think. Some penne pasta. That was $1. Tomato supreme to make chicken parmigiana. That was $1.40. 2 of the honey leg hams. They were $1.80 each. Some Nutella for my daughter. That was $4.70. Some apples. They were $2.50. Some washed potatoes for 2 kilos. It was $7. Some dentist sticks for the puppy dog. They were, I think they were like $3. Some Shine dishwashing liquid. That was $1.75. Some Shine rinse aid. I think that was $3. The Shine Pro dishwasher tabs. They were $4. A kilo of mints. That was $10. Pumpkin, don't know how much that was. I got some onions. They were like $1.50, I think. And I got the puppy dog some food. Baxter's, that's like 3 kilos. And that was $6.
So that's the end of the grocery haul except for the soft drink. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and I have put some more videos up there for you guys to watch. Bye guys.